Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to cancel follow request on Instagram. Now this is very simple. Now this is going to be for public profile, but it's pretty much the same for non-public profiles as well. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go here and we have to go to activity, obviously. So we can go here and then go to heart icon here. And then we will go to activity. Right now we need to find a follower. So let's find a follower. As you can see, Nick24K, he just started following me here. And what we can do is click on his profile, go to three dots, and here we can click remove follower. Now this will remove this follower from our followers, and it will cancel the follow request on Instagram as well. Now if you have private account, this will be a little bit different, but still pretty much the same. You click on their profile, you go three dots, and you remove remove follower here, as you can see. So this is pretty much how to cancel follow request or how to remove followers in 2022. It's very simple. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will make sure to help each and every one of you. And leave a like if this video helps you out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.